Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Candy and today we're doing another crochet braid style. The basic braid pattern is what I use for today's look, and the hair that I'm using is from QVR. It's their kinky curly human hair. Yes, and it is their micro ring loop technology crochet hair. And the colors, guys, we're using three colors: number 4, we're using number 30, and number 27. So we're doing a basic install, guys. The micro ring loop is what is going to make all of the difference. So as you can see, I am actually pulling the hair through the loop and I'm knotting it once. When on earth have you ever been able to see a crochet hair that would require you to knot it only once, especially if it's human hair? The few human hair options that were on the market, guys, the hair was so soft and silky, and because of the nature of the hair, no shame or no shade to the quality of the hair, but it's just that human hair is usually so soft that it's almost impossible to knot it. You have to be knotting it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, baby, for that hair to stay in place. So for them to create this technology where the cord is in the middle of the hair, that is the game changer. That hair will stay in place forever. It will not slip and the hair will look more natural, okay? Because it just lays in place nicely. All right, so as you can see, guys, I am just going ahead and not randomly. I'm using all three colors, but she wanted mostly the 27 and the 30. So I was using mainly those colors and then just, interspersing the number 4, yes, throughout, just because we didn't have enough of the number 27 and the 30 on their own. Now the package of the hair comes with a 3 of the bundles, one of each color. So that's how it was sold. It was sold with one number 4, one number 27, one number 30. So she got 2 of those packages. So of course she had 2 of each. And I did go ahead and use almost 5 packs. I didn't use fully 5 packs, with using all of the colors together. I used, call it 5 packs. All right, so that's how the cord in the middle looks. You can see how firmly, yeah, the cord looks. So no issue there. So just to show you guys up close and personal, inserting the crochet tool in the cornrow, attaching the loop, pulling it through, and then you just slide to make sure it's nice and secure. Again, insert, attach the cord section of the hair, close the latch hook, pull that through. Then you can use your hands to pull the other part of the hair through the loop. So you can either use the crochet tool to hook the end of the hair and pull it through, or you can use your fingers. Either way is pretty simple. I wouldn't say any is easier than the other. All right. So guys, again, the hair is 16 inches long. Yes, all the packs, all the colors are 16 inches long. And again, this is the Kinky curly feather tip hair from a QVR, yes, and colors 27, 30, and the number 4, and the color blend is so beautiful. I know I'm not the only one who thinks the color blend is beautiful. It is amazing. So I'm just showing you guys this video in real time. I find that most of my other videos are sped up, but for those people who really want to see how the process is, and I can't take it for granted that people already know and they just want to see the finishing of a hairstyle. So for that reason, I am literally not speeding up this video at all. So yeah, you'll be able to see how it's actually done in case you want to actually recreate the style. Yeah, isn't that fair? Fair enough, yes. All right, so continuing with the process, we are all done, and I'm just using my scissors to just to even up the ends and trim off any pieces that seem out of place or longer than the others noticeably. Yes, but guys, the hair is amazing. The texture is awesome. I love the fact that you can actually brush through the hair if you want to. If you wanted it to have a bigger look, you can actually brush it. You can re-wet it for a more defined look. The hair is 100% human hair and the quality is everything. So I'm just going in with some mousse, yes, just to, add a little bit of shine and definition to the hair. And in her case, she wanted the hair tamed down a little bit more. So if you want to keep the volume, then you don't have to do this step. But the mousse does actually, tame it down some and makes it a little bit flatter, which is what she wanted. So yeah, but guys, look at that color combination. It is everything. The blonde is blonding right now. So guys, let me give you a 360. And the beauty about this crochet technique is you do not have to know how to do the knotless method. And the hair still looks nice and flat and natural at the part. It does. Yeah, thanks to that micro ring loop technology or that thread. But that color highlight and the fact that this style looks like a bob is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is my offering for today. I do hope you will come back for next time. Bye.